you one of those who can't hold themselves back from writing long paragraphs? Well, good news for you, because Meta is giving Threads a powerful upgrade, and it's all about saying more with less effort. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for all the tech updates. To please writers, thinkers, and note dumpers on the platform, Meta has already started testing a long-form text attachment feature on Threads. Isn't it annoying when you have to string together endless posts or paste screenshots of your notes app? Now, users can attach an entire block of text directly to a single post. First spotted by app researcher Radu Onsescu on iOS, the feature allows users to get creative with formatting and share everything from deep thoughts and personal essays to news commentary or even book reviews, all without facing the character limit. According to Meta, this tool is designed to get creative with styling tools to share deeper thoughts, news snippets, book excerpts, and more. And while it's still in testing, the company confirmed plans to roll it out in the near future. The app, once taken as a dupe of Twitter, now it's a platform carving out its own identity. In just 2 years, it's rolled out DMs, custom feeds, AI enhancements, and even Fediverse integration, all while climbing to over 400 million monthly users. And with this new feature, Threads is now taking aim at Substack, Medium, and even X's long post format, all while keeping things native and easy to share. With time and even more updates, Threads can become a mainstream app, and trust us, it's almost there. What do you think about the update? Let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest tech updates.